Hello everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios. These are my colors today, and they are Amsterdam and Artist Loft paints. So I am painting over this painting, which I loved, but I dripped some paint right here and here, and so I'm going to paint over it. This is a batch of fresh paint that I just made up, and it is the Artist Loft and Amsterdam paints, simply mixed with floetrl and a little gloss medium. And I like this. It's so easy compared to working with the tar gel and the golden fluids. And it's easy because it's simple, and I'm wanting to swipe and have a kind of a cool cell effect. The other paints are wonderful, but they give different effects and they require much more time and attention to work with. And sometimes I don't have that much time. Today I wanted to do an abstract, not water, but not too dramatic. As you notice, I did not put any reds in here today. Really wanting a feeling of coolness and calmness. I think calm, just the word calm, is so necessary in the times that we're in. It's difficult to be calm when you're frightened, and a lot of people are frightened right now. And for those of us who aren't totally frightened, it's important not to think thoughts of the future that frighten us. It's important to be aware of possibilities, but not to scare ourselves. I'm going to leave this as a one swipe painting. We'll see how this dries. Here it is. I love it. It's exactly what I was needing, and it can be hung in any direction. It's so simple, and it is calming. And one of the calming things that we can do for each other is, if you see someone in distress, notice or ask what they need, and if you can, help them. Fear spreads in retraction, and we don't want to retract away from people who need help and support and calm. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon in the next video.